This is idli batter. I already soaked 2 glass of rice and 1 glass of ulund dal and little fenugreek. And I grind and kept for 6 hours. And now it is ready. Batter is ready. This is chicken masala, chicken sukka. How to make? I already this is prepared in my video before. You can make, but that video I took chicken with the bone chicken. This is boneless chicken. That is only difference. And same procedure you can use. But be careful. It will come out. I preheated already idli cooker. Keep for 10 minutes for boiling. Now chicken idli is ready. Try this at your home and comment down below how it tastes. Click on the eye icon to view more of our contents. Until then, bye.